Reservation.
Yeah.
Nicole.
Good morning. How are you?
Great. How are you?
Good. Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
Okay. What's the city and state of the hotel?
Miami.
Miami, Florida. Which hotel, sir?
Yeah. It doesn't matter. I don't
It
care.
doesn't matter. Just any hotel in Miami?
Yeah.
Okay. What day are you coming in?
Tonight. In approximately 1 hour.
And how long are you? Okay. Well, you would have to call the front desk to see if there's availability to check in now. You want to stay at the Holiday Inn, Miami, on 87th Avenue?
Yes.
Okay. And the rate for this evening is $125 for a king bed. Are you okay with that?
One night.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yes. And the rate is okay. Are you a Priority Club member?
No.
Okay. What type of credit card did you want to hold the room with?
What's that?
Hello?
Yes.
Oh, sir, did you want to hold the room?
Stop it! Yeah. Yes.
Okay. What type of credit card did you want to hold the room with?
10.
Yeah, okay, see.
Make it a 10.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
10.
And now he's telling him that he has to take that bug out of his nose, which is this gross bug that was inside my nose.
Okay, so did you want to hold the room or?
Yeah.
Okay, what type of credit card did you want to hold the room with? Okay, hello?
Hello?
Sir, did you want to hold this room? Yes.
No.
Did you want to hold this room?
Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yes!
Good morning, reservations.
Hi.
How
Hi. How are you?
How may I help you? I am
Yeah.
okay, and you, sir?
Good. Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
What state and city do you need, sir?
Miami.
I am not in, the hotel. You
Why
want
not?
Miami?
Yes.
When do you need to be in Miami?
In January and
What
half
date
of February.
do you need?
February 13th.
I can't hear what date you're saying, sir.
February 13th.
February 13th.
Yeah.
How
Yeah.
many nights are you staying?
200.
How many?
200.
Are you saying 20, sir?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay. Are you a member of Priority Club by Holiday Inn?
No. No, I'm not interested in that.
Which one of the hotels you want to stay in Miami, sir?
I don't care.
Well, I need to pick a hotel.
It doesn't
have you
matter.
pick a hotel. I have a Staybridge, a Candlewood.
The most important
I
thing
don't
is
know.
money. Yeah.
How many persons would be staying?
7.
7 people?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
You think you know bad, huh?
The largest thing I have at the Staybridge is a 2 double-bed, 1-bedroom suite that will sleep up to 4 persons. So for 8 persons, you would need at least 2 rooms. That's an all-suite
How much is that?
extended stay property.
How much is that?
It's for a 20-day stay. That room is $139.99 per night plus tax.
Yes.
Immediately.
Would you like to?
Yes!
No, let's be talking. What is immediately, sir?
Who is it this time? I would like to have a room, please.
You said you wanted a room for February
Yeah. Yes.
for 20 days, and I told you
Correct.
it would be $139.99.
Perfect.
Your room would have a kitchen,
Yes.
full-size appliances.
That's right.
Breakfast every morning is free.
Yes!
Parking and internet
Stop whining.
is free, and there's an outdoor pool. Do you want 2 of these rooms, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Smoking or none?
It doesn't matter.
Well, some people smoke, sir. That's why I had to ask.
Bullshit. Wrong.
Which credit card do you want to hold this on?
There is no bathroom. What's the matter?
I need the credit card to hold the room, sir. The number's on the card.
Dyson.
Tyson? Is the numbers on the card?
No. Don't be ridiculous.
1 second.
4, 5, 3,
2, 1, 1,
7,
1, 2, 8, 8.
3, 9, 7, 9, 3.
Okay.
What's the last number, sir?
Well,
I'm
I think
missing
that you can go around the corner, I mean, much faster, and then you go bang, 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 bang. Can you not? I mean, why not? I mean, let's do it again. Let's do it again. I mean,
First number is a 4, and then what?
4, 5, 3,
2, 1,
Sir,
1.
you're
7.
breaking up. I can't hear you.
No.
Bullshit.
Now listen to me
Please
very
call back.
carefully.
Thank you for calling. Can't understand you.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Fuck you.